Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best crutches review is probably one of the most important decisions you will make when recovering from a leg injury or surgery, because the wrong crutches can cause more pain and hinder your recovery, while the right ones can provide the support and stability you need to stay mobile and heal properly. This video will help you find the perfect pair for your needs, covering key features, different types, and important factors to consider before buying. Number 5. Carex Folding Aluminum Crutches. These crutches feature a convenient folding system, perfect for storage at home or travel. They're lightweight and easy to handle, making them ideal for users of all heights. Traveling with these is a breeze. They fold up compactly, fitting easily in overhead bins. No more struggling with bulky crutches. Made from durable aluminum, they support up to 250 pounds. They're significantly lighter than traditional wooden crutches, reducing strain during use. Experience comfortable support with the thick underarm pads. They're designed to provide cushioning and reduce pressure points. Weighing only 4.5 pounds, they are perfect for both adults and children, 4 feet 11 inches to 6 feet 1 inch. Enjoy the benefits of lightweight mobility. Easily adjust the height to fit users from 4 feet 11 inches to 6 feet 1 inch. The push-button adjustment makes it simple to find the perfect height. What we like? It folds up easily for travel and storage. Its lightweight aluminum design makes it easy to carry. If you need an easily portable and adjustable crutch for various heights, this is the one for you. What people say? Adjusts for height. Lightweight but sturdy. Excellent quality and easily folds for convenience. The crutches are sturdy and love the convenience of being able to fold up if needed. Even though they can fold, they are plenty sturdy. The adjustability is very good. Number 4. Drive Medical Crutches. These crutches are made of lightweight aluminum, yet they can support up to 300 pounds. You'll appreciate the support without the extra weight. Say goodbye to discomfort. It features comfortable, durable pads for both your armpits and hands. Enjoy a more pleasant experience. Large, non-skid vinyl tips provide exceptional traction, keeping you steady and safe on any surface. Walk with confidence. They're easily adjusted to fit various heights thanks to the Euro-style clips and pushpin design. Find the perfect fit for comfortable use. It's easy to assemble and disassemble, making storage and transport a breeze. Convenient for everyday use and travel. Get the support you need with these reliable crutches. They're designed to help you move with confidence and ease. What we like? This crutch provides great support and is made of durable materials. The comfortable pads and grips make it easy on your body. If you prioritize comfort and sturdiness, this is a great option for you. Number 3. KMINA Pro Carbon Fiber Crutches. It's made of strong carbon fiber, weighing only 1.3 pounds, yet it can support up to 300 pounds. This ensures stability and balance for added confidence while walking. With 10 height adjustments ranging from 29 to 38.9 inches, it perfectly adapts to your height for a comfortable and secure fit. These crutches fold easily and compactly to just 21.6 inches. They're perfect for travel, storage, and easy transport in a car, closet, or even a backpack. They feature soft, high-quality fiberglass reinforced plastic pads for comfort and a reflector for added safety. These lightweight and strong carbon fiber crutches are ideal for anyone needing reliable support. The package includes 2 units for your convenience. What we like? Made from strong carbon fiber, it's incredibly lightweight and folds up small for easy portability. It's perfect for travel or storage. If you need a lightweight yet strong crutch for travel, this is a perfect choice. What people say? These did exactly what I needed them to do. I had a stroke and was learning to walk again. I like the head grips and the larger grips for the base. It was worth getting the fabric grip pads. It was a little tricky to get the cuff pads on, but I've had no problem since. I like they break down and came with a bag which made tracking easier. Also, being adjustable is helpful. Adjustable, worth the extra cost. I will be using them for decades. Nerve and back pain issues. When I use 2, I can last all day on an outing. 1 only helps with balance, 2 helps maintain strength in upper body. Well made and very light compared even to aluminum ones. Easy to adjust the length to your comfortable setting. Folds easily, a bonus. Number 2. KMINA Pro Forearm Crutch. Say goodbye to hand and wrist discomfort. It distributes your weight through your elbows and forearms, reducing pressure on your hands and wrists. It promotes better posture. You'll find yourself walking upright with improved balance and stability. Remember to read the instructions and watch our video before use. Move with greater ease and efficiency. It allows for a wider walking perimeter, reducing the energy you need to get around. Experience less shoulder strain. The patented cushioning system absorbs impact, minimizing discomfort. It may take some getting used to, but it will make a difference. Maintain independence and freedom. Its flexible strap lets you use your hands freely without removing it. The strap can be adjusted for comfort and ease of use. What we like. This unique design reduces pain in your hands, wrists, and shoulders. It allows for hands-free movement. If you suffer from hand, wrist, or shoulder pain, this is the crutch for you. What people say. The height of the cane and length from the elbow rest to the handle are both adjustable. It's very simple to put together and could probably be assembled in under 2 minutes. This cane is perfect if you need durable support. It provided exactly what I needed to transfer from a walker to a cane with limited use of my hand and wrist. Number 1. BeneCane Forearm Cane. Experience superior comfort with its ergonomically designed handle. It reduces hand fatigue, even during extended use, making every step easier. It boasts a thickened aluminum alloy tube wall for exceptional durability and stability. You can confidently rely on it for secure support. Its lightweight and collapsible design makes it incredibly convenient. Easily disassemble, fold, and carry it wherever you go. The rubber tips provide excellent grip and stability, even on slippery surfaces. Walk with confidence and safety. Easily adjust the height to find your perfect fit, accommodating users between 4 feet 2 inches and 5 feet 9 inches. It's the ideal support for your needs. What we like. It features an ergonomic handle for comfort and is lightweight and collapsible for easy portability. The non-slip rubber tips provide extra safety. If you are looking for a comfortable, portable, and safe forearm crutch, this is a great option. What people say. 2 of these help keep my body stable when walking. Sturdy and collapsible canes fit my purpose to help me stand straight and able to walk a steady pace. These BeneCane forearm crutches are great for stability and balance and for people who are not taller than 6 feet and weigh no more than approximately 180 to 200 pounds max. I have these crutches on the 3rd slot hole, from bottom up, and this allows for enough stability. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.